But we'll begin the hour with our severe weather threat. So let's get you a look right now. Out of severe weather from Friday, we had storms bubble up in Oklahoma that brought damage to a backyard. Look at that, part of a patio collapsing from damaging wind gusts. Now, we have that newly issued severe thunderstorm watch in effect across parts of Texas until 9 p.m. Central Time. It's exactly the zone that we were expecting to see this heightened risk of severe weather. That level 3 outline across central and west Texas, Abilene on the I-20 corridor, right up to the Dallas-Fort Worth metro, and then down the I-35. So here's that watch for these several counties here. It does include the counties butting right up to the Dallas-Fort Worth metro, not exactly included in the watch, but definitely something to note that we could still see the possibility of some hail and damaging wind there. But as far as the tornado potential, it's a low-end risk, but it's something we'll have to watch for closely, possibly up to tennis ball sized hail, also a bigger concern. Looking at our visible satellite in the last 3 hours, this has been so fun to watch in slow motion. One, you can see our storms beginning to fire up here in the last few hours along our boundary. You've got this cold pool right about in here that's been drifting to the south. Dallas, those thunderstorms kind of clipped you in the last 2 hours. As things are starting to clear out for a short time being, we do still have ground stop and ground delay programs in effect. And unfortunately, if you are hoping to fly into or out of Dallas, our delays are stacking up big time. More than 750 delays right now, and they are averaging more than an hour. So take your time out there. I do think they're trying to get things back in order for now, but with that ground stop in effect at DFW, it is going to be a bit of a slow go until we get things back to normal. Our cold front is slowly drifting to the south. Haven't quite made it to the I-20 corridor just yet. We do have a dry line in effect across parts of West Texas. This area of low pressure, that too is beginning to eject into West Texas. So that, with our little daytime heat popping up on the board, is why we have this instability that's now allowing for these storms to fire up and bring along with it that hail threat. So we've got a couple warnings on the board. Our Fox Weather Alert system has filled in quickly. We went from 0 to 100 in about the last hour. So expecting more of these warnings to continue to pop. There's that isolated tornado threat, largely on the I-20 corridor, where we could see a discrete supercell in these early afternoon, evening hours, really perhaps take advantage of the lone wolf nature. But eventually we're going to see these discrete storms start to form into a complex. And that's where this line of severe weather is expected to drive through into the I-35 corridor, through the hill country, into this evening. Dinner hour and beyond is where the damaging wind threats takes over. 70+ mile-an-hour wind gusts. Now, once we get past midnight, expecting the severe weather threat to start to lessen, but pockets of heavier rain settling up for the upper Texas coast. Houston, we'll see perhaps a couple rumbles of thunder and downpours move in overnight before it clears the coast by tomorrow morning's drive.